Okay, now we're going to go from recursive to explicit. And let's remember the explicit formulas. The top one there, that is for an arithmetic, and the bottom one, that is for geometric. So this is the recursive formula. A sub 1 equals -4, so that's our first term. And then it says a sub n, to find any term, you take the previous term and you add 9. So adding 9, that tells us that we've got a arithmetic sequence on our hands here. So all we have to do is fill in the values here. So there is our A1, and we're adding 9, so that's the common difference. So we got that there. So let's just plug these into the formula and simplify. So we got A sub n equals -4 plus n minus 1 times 9. Let's go ahead and distribute that. So we'll have A sub n now equals -4 plus 9n minus 9. And then we can combine our like terms here. We've got -4, -9. So that can be, oops, didn't come out good. That can be combined into -13 plus 9n. And that is our explicit sequence. Alright, so here's another one. I can tell that I'm taking the previous term, right? That all that means is previous term. And I'm adding 6. And I begin with 4. So in that formula again, A sub n, this is of course arithmetic. So we've got A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. The 6 is our common difference, and the 4 is our A1. Oops, it's supposed to be green. There we go. A sub 1. There we go. Now, let's just plug that in. So A sub n equals 4 plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which is 6. Now all we have to do is simplify. We got 4 plus 6n minus 6. So now the formula, 4 minus 6, that's going to be -2. So A sub n equals -2 plus 6n. That is now the explicit formula for this sequence. Okay, please try this one on your own. When you're done, you can unpause. I'll have the solution here. Alright, when you finish with this one, you should have a formula. Looks like this. It's A sub n equals 15 minus 5 times n. Okay, here's a slightly different look. This time we are not adding, or subtracting. We're multiplying by that 4 right there. So we still have the A sub 1. That's right there. And we have the common ratio, which is 4. We're multiplying the previous term by 4. Okay, so there it is. And let's go after this now. We'd have A sub n equals 8 times 4 n minus 1. And there's our explicit formula. Okay, here's another one. Zero in on the previous term. What are we doing to it? We're multiplying it by 1/5. So that ratio, the common ratio now, is going to be 1/5. And the A1 is going to be 150. So let's not forget that formula. It's A sub n equals A sub 1 times r to the power of n minus 1. Do we have the A sub 1? You bet we do. So A sub n is going to be 150 times 1/5 to the n minus 1 power. Okay, please try this one out on your own, and then when you're done, unpause. I'll have the solution. Okay, there it is. We have 5 times -6 to the power of n minus 1.